Hi, you are on the channel Pretty Models. Be sure to watch to the end. Pleasant viewing. Tiffany was born on November 20th, 1990 in Chicago, Illinois, United States. She will be 31 on November 20th, 2022. Her astrological sign is Scorpio. Tiffany stands 5 feet 5 inches tall or 165 centimeters, body type, very voluptuous. She has a beautiful blonde hair and brown eyes. Color, marital status, unknown, nationality, American. Tiffany was born and raised in the United States. She is currently living in her hometown, Chicago, Illinois. She is of Mexican descent. The Big Beautiful model resumed her activities in Instagram on August 2017, and since then, she has gained a huge fan following on the photo-sharing platform. On her official Instagram account, she has attracted more than 101,000 followers whom she updates with her beautiful photos and videos. The Chicago Big Beautiful model is endowed with enormous backside that keeps turning the eyes of men around. She has also attracted lots clothing and beauty brands to partner with her.